Hey guys, welcome to another video review. Today we are going to be reviewing the ODIER bike phone mount. I have the box right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, let's see what we have here. Looks like we have the handlebar attachment and the phone mount itself, with some extra layers of cushioning for the phone. And we have the instruction manual, which is in both Chinese on one side and English on the other. Alright, so let's look at the mount itself. The mount can be adjusted to fit phones from 3.5 inches screen size to 7 inches, and that can be done using the quick release screw at the back, which basically you can move it around to increase or decrease the overall size of the mount. And the other screw at the bottom that you see is basically to connect it to the handlebar mount right here. Now, looking at the handlebar mount, it's a screw-in type mount, and let me go ahead and remove the screw. You can see 3 layers of extra cushioning in there. These 3 layers that you see, these are removable, and these are basically to provide flexibility for bicycles that have handlebars of different sizes. So depending on the diameter of your handlebar, you can decide how much cushioning you need. You can keep some of it or take it all out, that's up to you. And once you've affixed this to the handlebar, put it around it like a snap-on design, you just put the screw back in and tighten it so that it fits firmly and sits in place on the handlebar and doesn't move around. But before you attach it to the handlebar, of course you want to connect it to the mount, because it's much more convenient to have it connected to the mount before you put it on the handlebar. Now, to do that, simply place the washer right here at the back and put the screw through the hole in the handlebar mount, and make sure the screw sits tightly. Alright, there we go. Now you see it's firmly in place. And with that done, you're all set to use your mount. You can decide how much cushioning you need for your phone depending on the thickness of your phone. So as you can see, it can cover most of the gap that we have on the side. And you can adjust the size of the mount from the screw at the back. And then just place your phone on here and tighten it back. And there you see your phone sits perfectly in place, and you can go ahead and mount it to your bicycle. So overall, this is a nice accessory to have for your bike. Very useful. I would have preferred it to a snap-on design for the front mount instead of the screw, so that you have less of a manual effort. But having the screw does make sure that the phone will stay in place even on a bumpy road, so that's a good thing. Overall, a very useful bike accessory. Your questions, comments and feedback are always welcome. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.